Hey guys and girls, good day to each every one of you. How are you all doing? I'm here in an event, just a gathering by the owner of the shop. He invited me in front of his guests, so I'm very glad and very honored on inviting me to eat here. And he told me that he always sees me here everywhere. He knows me and he's very glad on seeing me again. And he asked me if where I have seen him before, and I told him that they're in a certain shop. So glad. But you know what, guys and girls, I may not be able to eat now meat. There's one of my favorite lechon, but gosh, as for the lechon for today, because on my how do you call that thing? Because I'm being lost. Not eating meat since Ash Wednesday.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
I'm sorry. That's the owner of the shop. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, Christine, Helen Carreto, and to all my silent subscribers, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And to all my 10 lovely countries, Philippines, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Indonesia.
Sumingit na kayo.
Sir, congratulations on your
Congratulations. I
Please
thank
invite
you.
our viewers on your shop.
Sige po, pagka sa lahat ng mga gusto magpalibre, gusto ng consultation, gusto ng punsoy consultation, punta lang po dito sa Ali Mall po.
Master
Sa
Ang.
Master Ang. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, kain ka na.
See that. And then, what else should I gonna say? To all my love with all this.
Kumain ka na ba? Kumain na kayo. Sige, sumunod na kayo.
The thing that I'm not gonna buy food to eat for today because I was invited. And as for the meal for today. Master Ang, free feng shui consultation.
Pero okay lang yung kasi
So guys, I may not be able to invite you because this is a VIP invite. Sorry. They are the clients of Master Ang. Lucky me. Oh my gosh. Not hungry, but I'm gonna eat. Bye for now. Thank you.